How to manage backup using mobile data in Google Photos. This setting lets you decide whether Google Photos can back up your photos and videos when you're not connected to Wi-Fi, helping you control your mobile data usage. First, open the Google Photos app and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, select Photo Settings, then tap Backup to access your backup settings. Scroll down until you find Mobile Data Usage or Use Mobile Data, depending on your app version, and tap on it. Here, you can choose whether to allow backups using mobile data. If available, you can also set a daily mobile data limit or choose no limit if you don't mind using your cellular data for backups. Select the option that works best for you, then go back. Your changes are saved automatically, and Google Photos will follow your new mobile data backup preferences. And that's it. You've successfully managed Google Photos backup using mobile data, giving you better control over both your cloud backups and data usage. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Google Photos tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.